Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make an India Pale Ale IPA beer at home. Before you want to make a beer, the first thing you need is barley or rice or corn or other grains that have sugar in it. The first step is burn it. Some people bake it for a very short time. That's for making the light beer. And some people burn it to very dark and very burnt, even into black color. That's how you can make black beer. After we burn the grains, we crush them into very small pieces or even dust and put them into water. The next step is you need to add yeast into the liquid. Yeast is some microbes that eat sugar, and when they are eating sugar, they will produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. You can see the bubble coming out from all the liquids there. That's when they are producing carbons. Because we are making IPA, it requires a lot of bitter and for aroma flavors. So we will need to add two things. The first thing is the process when you're making any beer in the world. It's hops. Hops are some dried flowers that produce some special beer flavor. You can just add them in during the process. Because we are making IPA, so we put the hops in for in a very early time, and they stay with us for the very long time. If you want to craft your beer and you want more flavor, you can add some flour or grass or other things to dip in the water, but they should leave soon because they can't stay so long and destroy the flavor in the beer. After many days, the fermentation is done, and the beer will change color into the color we want. Now it's the new product we have, and this is the homemade IPA beer. Thank you for watching. Cheers.